Assalamualaikum friends, here is 300 plus Christmas photo overlays. File size is 1.98 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed, but these are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. Here is my page Sheri SK, and last is my Telegram channel Sheri SK official. I will provide every video first here. Okay, now here is 33 files. I know you know how to use in Photoshop. Next is snow falling, 51 high resolution. Okay, next is wow, blurred, free bonus. Okay, Christmas photo overlay. You can import your own photo here. Christmas party. You can change everything. Okay, now here is Christmas photo mask. "20 blowing snow overlay. Wow, here is PNG and JPG files with action and brush effect. Wow, here is digit balloon. You can use birthday or here. Okay, I say again, password in this app. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Take care. Allah Hafiz.